Okay, great. We are doing well. So far, we learned what capital budgeting is, why companies use it as a part of their strategic decision-making process, and why it is critical to get it right. We learned about the time value of money, how to discount cash flows, which discount rates to use, and how to apply the main capital budgeting techniques used by practitioners. That's perfect. In this lesson, we'll continue the topic, trying to dig deeper. Let's describe the typical sequence of cash flows we can expect in a capital budgeting exercise. Imagine our company intends to build a plant assembling bicycles, and that the plant would cost an estimated $25 million. The first cash flow we would have would be the capital outflow of $25 million. We must invest to build up the fixed asset. Once the plant is ready, working capital would be needed, right? We can't simply assemble bicycles without buying some parts and holding a certain amount of inventory. It is reasonable to expect that every project like this one would require a certain amount of working capital, which would be blocked throughout the project's lifetime. So that's an additional investment required. Imagine the company building a new bicycle assembly plant has an old one. Therefore, it can sell some of the equipment there, and this will cause a positive cash inflow. The budget for the new plant comprises the acquisition of new machinery, and this would allow us to sell old assets. Once the plant is ready, the company will assemble bicycles and will have recurring operating cash flows from companies buying and distributing these bicycles. Recurring operating cash flows are the main source of income that will determine whether this will be a successful project. The more bicycles are assembled, and the higher the efficiency with which this is done in the plant, the higher the cash flows realized throughout the plant's life, and the higher the chances of the project succeeding. If we assume the plant will be used for 15 years, and after that the company must build a new plant, we must consider the fact that the plant we are about to build will have a significant residual value 15 years from now. Perhaps some of the machinery will be sold 15 years from now. Other items will be recycled, or even better, someone could be interested in buying the plant. Okay, did we forget something? Oh, right. Once the project life ends, the working capital we had invested at the beginning to buy inventory parts for bicycles would be freed up. Perfect. These are the main events that have a cash impact and that we must plan for in a capital budgeting exercise. In our next lesson, we'll discuss how to forecast these items. That's exciting, right?